What's up, guys? We are back with another mini vlog of Lobito and Izzy. Check him out. We are here at a little lake near my house just for him to get used to socialization, neutralization. He's still in that training process. Sorry, my bad, correction. Pond, not lake, a pond near my home. There is a few ducks on the other side of this pond, maybe about like 6 or 8 ducks. There is some swimming in the pond there. You can kind of see them. He does notice them, and he used to bark at them and growl at them before, but now he's gotten used to it where he just like stares at them, and he does want to jump in the water, but of course I make sure that he does not do that because I don't know what's in this water and I don't want him getting sick. There's a guy playing a guitar here in this video, and Lobito was just sitting and enjoying the view and the music. We are still working on with him to just ignore kids and other people. We still can't get them pretty close to him because he will still try to bark and just growl at them. He's still trying to get used to all this socialization. And of course we gotta do his favorite sport, which is playing soccer. He does still play basketball, but not as much as he does playing soccer now. He's making good progress. There was like 3 parties behind us, but we were at a distance with a bunch of kids playing around. So for him to be ignoring them and just focus on me and his ball, he's making really good progress. I am proud of Lobito.
Lobo beans.
And to waste more of his energy, we let him dig at the park. Since there's other dogs that make holes in this park, we let him sniff around and start digging to waste more energy.
It is hot in our state of Arizona. Yep, he's ready to play. He's already in. Are you happy about your pool, Lobito? He's so cute, I swear. Oh, he's loving it. That's my good boy.
Does your pup watch Bluey and also get tired out? Well, mine does. One day of play, some Bluey. He loves his naps with some Bluey. Finishing the day off with a walk by the canal. It's been great talking to you guys. See you soon on the next mini vlog of Lobito and Izzy.